Are you tired of almost passing out from the pain of kidney stones? Are you looking for things to prevent kidney stones? One of the things you might have come across is an herbal supplement called CHANCA PIEDRA. Does this herb actually prevent or dissolve stones? Who knows? Let's find out.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Robert Chan. My kidney stone patients often ask me if I've ever heard of this supplement from South America. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about an interesting herb with an interesting name. What you might know as the herb called stonebreaker is actually called CHANCA PIEDRA or Philanthus nervuri. Stick around until the video to find out if this thing is actually worth taking or if you're just wasting your money buying this stuff. CHANCA PIEDRA grows best in tropical forests. The herb is used in Brazilian folklore medicine. Chances are you've probably heard that CHANCA PIEDRA can help with kidney stones, but that's not all. It can also help with other stomach-related or intestine-related issues as well. It's often used in teas to relieve stomach problems. Let's look at some of the health benefits and see if this should be a supplement that should be in your medicine cabinet. One of the main things that it's known for is its ability to help with kidney stones. Studies have shown that people who consume CHANCA PIEDRA after doing a shockwave lithotripsy had benefit of having fewer stones. Its ability to alkalinize urine helps it dissolve certain types of stones, like uric acid stones. In a sense, it's a cheaper over-the-counter alternative to prescription medication like uracil K or potassium citrate. The way it works is that CHANCA PIEDRA is thought to inhibit kidney stone crystal formation. It's also thought to help relax smooth muscle, like in the ureter, when you're passing the stone. Let's look at this one study out of the journal Urology, which is the preeminent journal in my field. In one study of 150 patients who were undergoing shockwave lithotripsy for the treatment of stones, they were randomized to either receiving CHANCA PIEDRA 2 grams a day for 3 months or not receiving anything at all. Then they looked at them with an X-ray and ultrasound at intervals following their surgery to see if all the stones were gone. What's interesting is they found that the ones who had received CHANCA PIEDRA had a stone-free rate of almost 93.5%. Compare that to the ones that didn't receive anything at all. They had a stone-free rate of only 83.3%. This was statistically significant, and this is important. More important, no side effects were reported from taking this stuff, so it's pretty well tolerated. Traditionally, people have used CHANCA PIEDRA for other reasons. Although no scientific studies have yet proven it, people have used it for treating anorexia, menstrual problems, asthma, and urinary tract infections. If you have faith in traditional methods and traditional medicines, then there's not too many risks in trying this out. However, if you have any concern, you should definitely consult with your primary care doctor or physician before taking this stuff. Everything, unfortunately, comes with side effects. So let's talk about some of the side effects that can come from taking CHANCA PIEDRA. It's been reported that it sometimes causes abdominal pains. It may not be the best choice for people who have sensitive stomachs. Remember that it also may help in lowering blood pressure. Kind of that thing that I was talking about, relaxing smooth muscles. Well, it might relax some of the smooth muscles in the blood vessels. Now, this is not a substitute for taking any type of antihypertensive medication. That's not what I'm encouraging at all. But because it does have this property, if you already have issues with having low blood pressure, then you might want to be careful as it may lower your blood pressure. It might also cause blood in the urine and pain with urination. Now let's talk about how it tastes. CHANCA PIEDRA is a herb, but it's not like the herb that you eat. This is a medicinal herb, so it actually probably tastes a little bit bitter. CHANCA PIEDRA can be consumed in a tea form, or it can be consumed by pills. Now, does it really work? Again, if word of mouth or like one of your friends who said that this stuff really worked for them is good enough motivating force, then by all means, try it. It seems like there's minimal side effects to it, and there may be some benefit. However, there's not much scientific evidence in the literature showing that it definitively works, and things that show that it does work have been just done primarily in animal studies. So there you go. These are the highlights that I pulled out for you about CHANCA PIEDRA. You can decide for yourself whether you think this is something that you might want to try or not. Now, if you've already used it before in the past, I want to hear about your experience down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks and have an awesome day, okay, guys?